3, 2, 1.
Win point.
Is that even touching the line?
It's touching.
Yeah, it's touching.
Hey, it's got to be on 2 mobile goals, right?
It is the line stick.
That's the Lions goal. That's not a mobile goal.
Well, it can.
Let's see it up here in a second.
It's not. It is touching you.
What happened? They're just checking if it's win point because it's only they're checking if this counts as win point.
Hey, yo, when driver starts to go for a little bit forward, so it can fit that mobile goal.
At least 3 score ranks, the Alliance of Colors. There were 2 stakes in the Alliance of Solid.
That's 2 stakes.
Yeah.
1, 2. And 3 ring score. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
So at least 2 stakes on each side. 3. Either robot break the plane at dead. That robot's breaking the plane at the starting line, they win point.
If they would have moved off the starting line, it would have been an 8.
Who's going to win the autonomous bonus?
Wait, what happened?
They're not over the line. They don't have auto. That's why we don't have it.
Oh.
Driver control begins at 3, 2, 1. Hurricane Hackers.
1, 2,
3, 4.
clear the Guard this, guard this, guard this. Guard it, guard it, guard it, guard it.
Yours is in the pocket.
Rob. Go guard it, go guard it, go guard it. Go guard it. They're pushing it more.
Don't let them get it.
I can't see. Can you move over? Can you move over? Sorry. It's fine, it's fine.